This leather cream is underrated and works wonders. It's shocking. Last week I made a video, and whilst making that video, something happened. I scratched my um, Jimmy Choo red diamond bag with my ring. This is something that happens with using your bag. There you go, right there, the scratch. See that? Okay, so this is why this video is important. I have a secret weapon I would like to share with everyone. This bag, although it has impeccable stitching, quality hardware, one downside I have found to this bag, like everything that has a pro has got a con, is the fact that it scratches easily. Let's see that. And I would like to add that every bag scratches. See, it's got some scratches. Yeah. So how I deal with that, and you can see kind of the chain, I kind of put it back in the box without removing the strap, so it dented that. I don't know how to fix that, but when it comes to scratches in my bag, I have tried and tested a product. I'm not advertising for them, but I'm saying this because I have used them and they actually do really work. So this is it. I'm just going to take a little from the cream. Sorry. It's just a cream. I haven't done this. Tried it on this bag. But I want to do it now. And then I'll leave it for a while. I did try it on one of my bags. It had a deep scratch from my fingernails. And on putting this cream on it, I left it for a few minutes. And when I came back to check it, the scratch, it's like the leather kind of swole and the deep scratch covered up. That was shocking for me. And after that, I strongly believe and recommend. I can't recommend this enough. It works for me. I hardly recommend something without trying it. I've got to try it and see how it works before recommending it. I would never recommend something I haven't tried and it did not work for me. No. So this worked for me for one of my bags. So I'm hoping it does the same for me this time. For the scratches I have, because I love this bag so much. So I'll come back to it. Right now we're just trying to feed the leather and see how it goes. Okay, it's time to polish off the cream. It drinks it, as in it disappears. After cleaning and polishing the cream into the leather, it is so red and vibrant. The scratches disappeared. I don't know if you want to go back to my other video and compare the, you know, the where you saw the scratches and the dents on the top. It really works. It really works. I've been using this for 2 years now, and it's never failed me. I really love this product. It works so well for scratches, not dents though. I wish it does, but you can still see the dents from the strap, the chain strap I left on the bag, which is so sad. I would definitely try and crack that, find something that would fix that problem. Probably I'll massage it more and try and push it out from the inside. I don't know, but I'll find a way. A scratch here, you'd see it in my previous video. I'm trying really hard to find it now. I can't find it, so let's go to the one inside. So this is the next part. So this is where we had that really big scratch. There. Let's see. This really works. Oh, I just scratched it again. I can't help myself. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna try it like several times, over and over, until it's all gone. Yeah, there. That was where I think. Right there. It works wonders. Oh my god. But for the dent at the back, it's still there. Dents. But the scratch, I had one here. I had quite a few on the inside. Kind of disappeared. It's been 2 days since I fed my bag. This is what it looks like. There. The scratches we had on the bag is gone. And this is what it looks like. I still have my dent, unfortunately. There you go. On the inside, I've got to be extra careful. I don't want, yes, that's inside where we had like a lot of scratches and finger marks. This was the first time I used this cream on my diamond bag. I've never used it on it, and I did not do a patch test, which could have been a disaster. But yeah, it looks beautiful. And this is the cream, Mulberry England Leather Gel. This is what does the magic for me. I couldn't recommend this more. It is very good. It works wonders. There you go.